Wicked Sprint is
Wicked Sprint is a very interesting concept.
They have invited all stakeholders.
A Wicked Sprint is a gathering of different perspectives, different ideologies.
A unique way of consultations for a policy framing.
Wicked Sprint is a 3, 4, 5 day process that aligns people and then helps them think together.
They get a platform to deliberate, to discuss and debate, and that is how we kind of arrange certain pathways and we have certain compromises. We identify certain key issues so that the wicked problems could be discussed and maybe a possible solution could be had.
the memorable sessions was on the first day when we all came together to design the problem statement. And what was interesting was people with such diverse opinions could agree to a common problem statement.
I enjoyed the Sensome in particular because that gave us a very interesting experience. It's an immersive experience where participants could actually take on different roles. They could have a dialogue amongst themselves, taking on these new roles. And that to me is a very important aspect in understanding what could be the constraints faced by the other issues, even if you're a policy maker or you're somebody for whom the policy is being made.
And I don't know why it is called a wicked sprint, except for the manner in which the each one were given different roles. I was given the role of a CEO of a fertilizer company. I think that alone I felt was a little wicked given my positions on the entire thing.
स्पेसिफिकली कोई किसका दुश्मन नहीं है. इंडस्ट्री का दुश्मन किसान नहीं है, किसान का शोषक इंडस्ट्री नहीं है. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन भी के फार्मर्स को इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए. ये एक मैसेज बड़ा आया. वी शुड वर्क टुगेदर फॉर बेटरमेंट ऑफ ऑल.
It's a very good, simulation. You are trying to simulate what would be the various scenarios. Suppose prices were to rise. Suppose you were to increase the subsidy on P&K fertilizers. Simultaneously. So various scenarios. How much will the cost go up? How much? What can be the potential impact on yield? I found that very useful. And I liked that program. It is a nice. It is a very useful kind of a thing. We need more such simulation exercises.
The value of having a process like this, like the Wicked Sprint that just got over in Jaipur, for instance, on recasting chemical fertilizer subsidies, is that we get a fuller picture than we normally do from either reading up materials or having conversations with only like-minded others and so on. Because you get such diverse views that all these little bits and pieces complete the full jigsaw puzzle, if you like. And the hope is that from something like that, even the solutions will become more holistic and comprehensive. Here I found myself talking about a particular transition phase, an interim, and I couldn't have ignored that that reality also exists.
In general, I think what we do find is that there is a increasing sensitivity as well as concern towards having a more sustainable model of development. Agriculture is obviously crucial to the whole exercise of it, but the concern on environment, climate change, and how do you do that by making sure that nobody is hurt but everybody prospers is definitely a challenging exercise. And I think, while doing so, one is very much conscious of the fact that every time we are talking about growth, farmers' income, farmers' well-being, we should not neglect the concern about environment, about humanity, and in general about nature.
हमको हर सेक्टर का प्रॉब्लम का रिजॉल्व करना हमारा मोटिव होना चाहिए. अगर स्टेक होल्डर या उस वैल्यू चेन में एक भी अगर व्यक्ति डिस्टर्ब है तो वो वैल्यू चेन सक्सेस नहीं है। तो इस वर्कशॉप से मुझे ये लगा कि कभी भी कोई मुद्दा हो, पॉलिटिकल हो, सोशल हो, तो हमको पहले उस वैल्यू चेन के सारे लोगों के साथ बैठ के बात करना चाहिए, ताकि हमको पता पड़े कि किसकी क्या प्रॉब्लम है, और उस प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करके पूरी वैल्यू चेन को जब तक हम मजबूत नहीं करेंगे, कोई भी सिस्टम कभी भी सर्वाइव नहीं करेगा।
I think these views that we have heard from everywhere, so those I think will keep me reminding of some of the issues that sometimes we neglect. So I think I will be conscious of those views while we make some policies, plans, or make certain decisions.
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि इसका ये बहुत अच्छी कॉन्फ्रेंस रही। जो चीज़ अभी तक नहीं पता थी, इसके माध्यम से वो बाहर निकल के आई है और आम किसान तक वो पहुँचेगी।